Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Salim Raza Mirani over here. Dear students, in today's class, we will discuss the poem Lucy Gray, its summary, and a brief introduction that of the poet. A brief introduction of the poet. The poet William Wordsworth was born in 1770 and died in 1850. He was born in a village of Lake District and educated at Hawkshead Grammar School, St. John's College, Cambridge. William Wordsworth, being a poet, introduced poetic style where he introduced simple language, as he was of the view that a poet should use the language of the common people. Besides this poet is also called the poet of nature. So, this is all about this poet in brief. Let us now move towards the summary of the poem. Summary of the poem Lucy Gray. The poem Lucy Gray is all about life of a village girl called Lucy Gray. It is all about how she lived her life and how careful, obedient, innocent, happy and satisfied she appeared to be. She lived in the moods with her father and mother. She was always obedient to her parents and took care of them. That always caused her joy and comfort. One day her mother went to the city market for certain domestically required things, but suddenly the clouds, storm, snow, rain and darkness changed the normal situation, whereas Lucy already had left for helping her mother with the help of lantern which she was holding in her hands. When her father asked her to go to help her mother by guiding the way in darkness, Lucy left home happily with playful and active gestures on the way. All of a sudden, the rain and storm started and she lost the way. Lucy's mother reached home safe and sound, but Lucy didn't. As a result, parents got worried and leaving the home went from place to place, from one side to the other, but couldn't find Lucy anywhere. Their worry and confusion grew to the greatest extent, and after searching for Lucy the whole night, saw her footprints near some broken wooden bridge and developed the thought that Lucy was no more there in the world. They felt that Lucy had fallen into the water and drowned. Though the parents were completely shattered with this very serious grief, their greatest loss, their only child was no more in the world, comforted each other by saying that they would meet Lucy there in paradise. The poet describes that till today, people of the area believe that Lucy can be seen playing, jumping, singing and dancing there. They feel Lucy is alive. Basically, the poet, who is called the poet of nature, shows some touch of nature. As nature is always alive, similarly, all natural things then are not considered dead. Human qualities are also alive. Our qualitative actions keep us alive, and Lucy, being obedient, caring an innocent child proved to be alive. And above all innocence is the image of nature that never dies. So, this is the message that of the poet, and where poet is of the view that Lucy is always alive, and all the people who ever goes there, they would see Lucy playing, dancing and jumping. And dear students, this was all about this poem in brief, and introduction of the poet in brief, and in our next class we will discuss this poem Strength of Voice. Till then, goodbye.